Subscribe now.
Right, we've got Paul here from Classic Mini Garage.
Oh yeah.
Paul's just come down today to have a look at this Polo. He's going to do us, or show us, or show me. Is that the plan? I don't know.
Yeah.
Going to show me, and I'll show you how to. What are we actually going to do, Paul?
Basically, we're going to clay bar it first to get any grime or grit off just on one side. We're going to tape it off halfway down.
Yeah.
Clay bar the one side, then machine polish it.
Yeah.
And you'll see the difference between the two halves.
So we're going to put a line down there.
Yeah.
And then the one half, clay bar and machine polish, and see the difference between the two.
Yeah.
So what is a clay bar then, for those who don't know?
Basically, clay bar, it basically looks like a block of clay bricks. What it does, you spray on a lubricant first to obviously wet the panel. Then you go over it with the clay bar, and it fetches all the grime. And even though the paintwork looks clean, you'll go over it with the clay bar, and you look at the stage of the clay bar when you've done it, and you'll see all the dirt and rubbish that's on it.
So you will actually feel the difference to touch.
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds good.
I mean, that's quite gritty.
Yeah, I know.
I can feel it in the paint, can't
you? Definitely.
Once that's clay barred, that'll be smooth as silk.
Smooth.
Yeah.
And you'll see an obvious difference.
Yeah, especially after it's been machine polished as well.
Okay, well I'll get a chamois out. I'll chamois this off now, and then we'll have a go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So as Paul's just pointed out to me on this, you can actually feel that. Yeah. I'll try and see if the camera will pick that up. Yeah. So we're going to mask it off now, down the middle. Yeah, so mask it off, and then we're going to clay. Do you want me to do this, you say?
Yeah, you can do it.
Want me to try it? So.
Right, the bar we're using, it's a Bill's Hammer bar, regular clay bar. You can get it in different, like medium, regular, or coarse. Okay. Regulars pretty much will do anything really. The coarse is a bit too coarse, to be honest.
Is it?
Unless your paintwork's really, really bad.
Yeah. Bit of clay bar. So, basically, what do I do? Just rub this on now?
Basically, spray panel.
Right.
This is rapid detailer. It can be used as basically, as it says, a rapid detailer. It's also a lubricant for the clay bar as well.
So you spray that on first, and then just rub that on?
Basically, wipe the clay bar over.
Circles or?
No, just straight lines. Side to side.
Like that?
Yeah. Or side to side. Side to side might be better.
Like that?
Yeah.
And then how many times do you have to go over it? Just
basically go over it and then feel if it goes smoother, and have a look at the clay bar, see if it gets anything off it. We'll see there.
It's bloody green. Hey, it looks red for me. I mean, I could be colourblind, but it's green coming off it. I can actually feel it in the clay. When you're looking, you can see it picking bits up, can't you?
Yeah.
That's mad. It's getting all the little black bits of tar off. Bits of grit and grime. I notice if you turn it, if you fold the clay over as well, it will pick more up, won't it?
Yeah.
Right, so at what point do I decide that I'm happy?
Basically, I mean, that's dead smooth now.
Yeah. Looks better already. What we're using on here, what moped?
It's a 3M medium compound head.
Yeah.
With G3. Well, it's actually G3 360 that's in here. It's not normal G3. I've just used that bottle.
Okay.
But it is correctly.
Right, so you just put a little dab on there.
Yep.
So you polish that up, what's next?
You need to glaze it. It doesn't really need glazing this now because we've done all the extra, all the other bits with it.
Yeah.
Or to it. Just get some hand polish now, just polish it over. And now, that is, compared to that, that's just dead smooth.
There is actually, I don't know whether the cameras will pick this up, there is actually a visual difference now, isn't there, on that?
Yeah.
So we're going to give that a hand polish this side now.
Yeah.
And then take the tape off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hard wax. It's not actually a polish, it's an actual wax.
Okay.
Which is that.
So this will actually put a protection on it as well?
This will put protection on the paint for about 6 months, this will.
Okay. So like when you wash it, the water, like...
Yeah, the water will just
run straight off.
Yeah,
no marks.
Won't stick to it. Even snow foam will have difficulty sticking to it.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good.
Leave it on for a minute. A minute or so, just let it haze off a little bit. Can't leave this on for too long, otherwise it'll be a nightmare to get off.
Oh, it goes
Yeah,
hard?
yeah, you have to be really careful how long you leave it on for.
Yeah.
So that's going off already, because it's quite a warm day, so...
Yeah, yeah. Oh, look at that. That looks like a different boot lid, doesn't it?
Yeah, I mean, you probably can't tell on the camera that much, but there is quite a bit of difference in that now. Still pretty close up. I mean, that is just dead smooth now, compared to the side.
Nothing, no noise whatsoever.
Nothing, yeah. Yeah.
That is how you detail put a finish to a car. So you do your washing, you wash it, you
wash it and dry it.
Wash it, dry it.
Clay
bar it all over, and then add your G3 or equivalent.
Yeah, either G3 or 3M green top, whichever you prefer.
Quick polish with a electric mop, and then
hand wax.
Wipe it all off, then a hand wax to finish it off.
Yeah.
And it will look like that. Now imagine the whole car was done in that. That would be like.
It'd be like brand new paint.
It'd be brand new paint, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Obviously this takes time though, so there is a cost if you was doing a full car.
Yeah, you'd budget on at least half a day.
Which I suppose isn't bad because you're actually putting a 6-month protection on your car as well.
Yeah, but in between that, you know, you can obviously hand wax it yourself every couple of months or every month or what. You know,
so you could
the more you wax it, the more it gets protected. It keeps stay protected.
Yeah,
you won't have to have it done again.
Yeah, brilliant.
But the one thing I would say, don't take a car through car washes, especially the mechanical ones.
Right.
Because all it will do is it will just scratch the car to bits.
Ah.
Just wash it, hand wash it.
Yeah.
You know, with a hose pipe. That's all you need, or a jet wash, a Karcher or something.
Okay. Well, let's take this tape off then and see what it looks like. Now you can. I know there's
It looks darker.
Yeah, you can actually see. I don't know whether I'm going to bring my camera over and see if it will. There is actually a visual difference there, apart from all this over splatter from the polisher, but you can see that there's more body in that colour, isn't there?
Yeah, it's a deeper shine.
Yeah, deeper shine, that's the word I was looking for. Look at, if you can see me as a reflection, look at Paul.
That looks pale compared to that.
You can actually see the colour of your jeans in there,
yeah.
But you can't see mine. That's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
The downside to doing this test, now we took the masking tape off, well, I've got to do the other side. Alright, so Paul's having a go at this side. He's a bit quicker than me.
You can see what's just come off that now. Hang on.
There's actually a lot of crap on that, isn't there?
The amount of dirt that's come out of that paint work, and the car did look clean, didn't it?
Yeah.
Well, it was washed. You washed
the car's
it
just
early,
been washed, yeah.
You know, it's amazing how much dirt the paint holds.
And that a normal sponge or whatever won't lift.
You won't lift it with a sponge. You have to use a clay bar.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't have to use the one I'm using here. I mean, this is a built hammer one, but Auto also do a very good clay bar as well, which you can get from Halfords or wherever, Amazon, sell them.
Also been asked, Paul, if you want to talk them through how to polish headlights.
Oh right, okay.
They've seen it on the last video, and I've had a couple of comments saying, can you just run through that again on how to do it?
Yeah, basically, if you haven't got a palm polisher or palm sander, which a lot of people probably won't have, you can use, right, depending on how bad the headlamps are, you can normally use a 1200 wet and dry, spray it with soapy water, spray the headlamp with soapy water, wet and dry 1200 until you get most of the rubbish off it, then 1500, then 2000, and then ideally you could do with a machine polisher to make it, you need a machine polisher really to polish it back.
Yeah.
And it'll come with like new. Or you can flat them down.
So you use G3 again now, like a
G3,
cutting compound.
Yeah, a cutting compound on a lot. The same as basically what you do for paintwork.
Yeah.
And that's dead smooth now, same as the other side.
That looks amazing, that boot
can't
lid
hear
now.
that at all now.
I know.
But yeah,
so the cutting compound is you can get it from like any sort of Halfords or somewhere.
most paint suppliers do it, like Jarwell Paints or people like that. Either use like G3 or
you can get it online, can't you?
Yeah, get it online. Just normal cutting compound.
You do have to be careful with that though, don't you? Because you can go over the top.
Yeah, you can, and use it if you use a machine polisher. Don't get, a lot of people use it at a lot of full speed.
Yeah.
And you don't do that.
Slow the speed
you'll
down.
end up burning through the paintwork.
Right.
Just use it 2000 RPM. That's plenty.
Yeah.
And that's one. That's 2000 now. That's all you need. I'll go over that now with that, the wax. You can use normal polish, car polish, but wax gives more protection. And a lot of the good quality polishes will come with an applicator as well. Another good one is Auto Glim heavy, not heavy duty, high definition wax.
Yeah.
That's a good wax as well. That comes with its own applicator and it lasts for ages.
And then you don't leave that on too long.
Yeah, because it's a warm day, you only have to leave it on for literally less than a minute.
Yeah. And then just hand polish it off with a microfiber.
Yeah, use a microfiber, a decent one, and clean.
Yeah.
I mean that now.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Now I never knew about that, so probably a lot of you guys never knew about this. And it's a simple thing that you can do on a Sunday morning to turn your old paintwork into something bright and vibrant.
In half a day, or
just like
or
this.
you can spend all day if you're young.
On a Sunday, you'll have a new car by Sunday night. It's amazing.
Yeah, good.
Brilliant. Well, thanks for coming out to show me then.
No worries, mate.
That's brilliant.
Yeah.
Everyone should be well interested in this now, because I've been asked a few times. So hopefully this is all useful to you guys, and if it has been of use, leave it down in the comments below, and don't forget, like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.